don't come again with another ogbonge gist to another ogbonge tori. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una run go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, tell your friends, tell family, make them subscribe so that they go know all the gist that they go on around the entertainment industry. I be you want the door, not door information and power. Today we want to talk about this chef Dammy wey come from Ekiti State, where they compete with Chief Hilda until Guinness World Record can't give Hilda a win. Chef Dammy can't come out, can't talk many things after she don't complete her 120 cookathon. She talk say she not do want to collect Hilda win. Say she do one for her own self. Say she just take and do exercise. She take and practice. But lady she stop. She can't come out again. Can't talk. Say she want register now with Guinness World Record. Say enough as from now after the registration she go come out again, can't do her own cookathon for 150 hours. Now be smart thing Chief Dammy they do. People can't they support her, so people can't they say wetin she they do no make sense. Inside this one where can't see they go on, she can't see come and can't talk say people go they screenshots they put online, say see money where they send for her, see money where they send for her, see money where they send for her. Say money where they even they send for her, she not they see her. Say if anybody wants send her money, where they come to her DM direct, can't send her money. She talk say money where they even they send her, say you know go even fee pay soldiers. All these people where they protect her, you know go pay her finish. Say if they want send her money, where they send her message. Say if she come once where if the people want where she come and can't talk about, say this person give me money, say she go come and can't talk about her. Say the one where they come they post online, they put for online, say she no understand all those kind of things. My people wanna watch the video, make una see what they try talk. I beg watch this video to the end.
Hey everyone, I want to say a very big thank you to my fans out there, to my supporters. And you know you always say what, thank you very much. And so I really want to say this because I've been receiving threatening messages lately about the thing is, people sending me money. You want to send me money, you send a screenshot online for people to see. So, cut down on your money here. Even the money that money too, they know account me, the money that does not reach my account. So enter account me. You send it online for people to see. Money, more can't go to see more riba as a why are you doing this to me? Go down now. So I want to beg you, I want to beg you, I want to beg you, please. If you want to gift me something, the cards mo lo lana yen. Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ àwọn group team member mi o. If not for them, my managers, everyone, everyone ṣiṣẹ́ go ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ wọn láyé mi. The thing is, if you want to send me money, if you want to gift me something, honestly, you know, man told to buy gift me. That you know, need to buy gifts. So if you want to gift me something, come to my DM. Buy me sorrow. Like, call me, pay me low phone, my dear no. Call me, my dear no. Honestly, this thing that honestly, you want to give me something. Like post it online. I post it online. You just like that. No, you don't do that to me. Honestly, that's all no. To cut the long story short. If you want to send me something, if you want to give to me, just come to my team. Let me check us one-on-one. Yeah? Let's talk about it. And you send it to me. If you want me to come on social media, I'll tell you that I'll mention your name. If that's what you want, I'll mention your name that you gift me. But it's compulsory you post like, this is the amount I gift her. Oh my God, cool my one. Oh yeah, for David for security, so that mama show me. Honestly, you should please ever be consider on factors if you want to gift me something or appreciate it. Come to my DM, call me, give me phone call,
My people, hope una don watch the video. Make una not forget to like and share, and also not forget to drop your comments where people know wetin dey sup around the world, where they know wetin dey happen. My people. Now until we come again for another segment for this our entertainment news. Make una stay safe, una do.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend.